topic. It's all about social media and self-esteem.
Lahat tayo dito. Kasi halos araw-araw tayo online. Scrolling through posts that makes us question feel good.
True. Minsan, ang dali natin makalimot na lahat ng nakikita natin online ay filtered version lang ng totoo. On social media, everyone looks so happy and successful. Pero yung totoo, like, it's on social media, everyone looks so happy. But hindi yung totoo, like, it's just the highlight, not the full story.
You are so right. You see people posting travel pics, perfect selfies, and achievement. So parang, you suddenly start comparing yourself. And you say, bakit ganito? Yeah.
Yeah.
That person takes our confidence. Students even show that too much time on social media can lower our self-esteem, especially for
Yes. And it's not just about books. Minsan, achievements. Parang kapag wala kang bagong accomplishment, feeling mo behind ka sa lahat. Exactly. We start believing that our worth depends on likes or followers, when in reality, it doesn't. So, we should like believe in ourselves rather than believing it on online.
So, what can we do? Like, for me, I try to follow pages that makes me feel inspired and less insecure. It really helps me to be more confident.
that's a good one. I also take breaks from social media. Minsan, kailangan lang natin magpahinga from all the pressure to look.
Ako naman, I remind myself that it's okay not to have everything figured out. Social media is just one part of life, not the whole picture. And let's remind ourselves now we don't have to post photos on social media. Instead, like, authenticity is better than perfection.
Yeah, and you know, let's support friends who share their real selves of life instead of judging. And let's uplift each other for the sake of everyone.
At the end of the day, social media should be